Hi again, it's Chris Marshall and welcome back to our remotely piloted aircraft system course. In this chapter we'll be taking a look at a few videos on air law and procedures. These are important steps to take in order to have a safe flight. Drones are considered to be an aircraft, which makes you a pilot. When you fly your drone, you have to be aware that you're sharing the skies with other UAVs as well as other aircraft. Before flying your drone, you must understand the rules that have been laid out for us pilots. First and foremost, drone pilots must follow the rules in the Canadian Aviation Regulations document. Pilots must always carry a valid pilot certificate, as well as have a drone mark with its registration number that's associated with that pilot. You must respect all other laws while flying your UAV. It's important that you fly your drone responsibly to avoid harming others. Here are a few main rules you need to follow while flying your UAV. You need to have a UAV license if you're flying a drone that weighs in between 250 grams up to 25 kilograms. You need to be at least 14 years of age to get a basic license and 16 years of age to hold an advanced license. And you must register your drone with Transport Canada before flight. You must fly in visual line of sight of your drone at all times. Always fly below 400 feet and be a minimum of 30 meters away from people with your basic certificate. You cannot be around any emergency services. You must avoid forest fires and outdoor concerts. Be a minimum of 5.6 kilometers from any airport, 1.9 kilometers from any heliport. You must fly in outside of controlled airspace with your basic certificate and always give way to a manned aircraft for their safety as well as your own. Some good tips for first-time pilots is to make sure you fly safe. Check your surroundings, make sure you got full batteries, ask yourself if it's too cold or too windy to fly. If it's your first time flying a drone, fly with someone who has a little bit of experience and can teach you some. Fly your drone in an open space and away from people and animals. Fly your drone close to the ground and at low speeds. Make sure you fly your drone in daylight and when it's good weather. Most importantly, keep an eye on your drone during your flight. If you don't follow the rules laid out by Transport Canada and the Canadian Aviation Regulations, you could potentially be looking at large penalties. You can be fined up to $1,000 for flying without a pilot certificate, up to $1,000 for flying without a registered drone, up to $1,000 for flying where you're not allowed, and up to $3,000 for putting any aircraft or people at risk. If you break multiple rules, you'll receive multiple penalties. I hope you enjoyed this section, and we'll hope to see you back soon for the introduction of airframes and propulsion. Have a great day.